It's a certified 2020 Mercedes-Benz AMG GT. This is a singular shrine to high performance. The snarling startup growl flows into a passionate, throaty rumble as it unleashes its power. It's well equipped with the features you need: automatic transmission, rear-wheel drive, engine auto stop-start feature, first and second row fixed sunroof, integrated navigation system, memory exterior door mirror settings, front heated and ventilated leather bucket seats, streaming audio, dual zone climate control, memory steering wheel settings, and twin-turbo V8 engine. Cars.com declares, fast, gorgeous, and more affordable than its predecessor, the new Mercedes AMG GTS may just be the best driving car the automaker has ever made. Mercedes-Benz, an elevation of innovation. You'll never know until you try. Test drive it today.
At RBM of Atlanta in Sandy Springs, we have the best selection of new and top-quality pre-owned vehicles to choose from. We are conveniently located at 7640 Roswell Road in Atlanta.